are on lesson number 7, the weather. So we have weather, W hands, fingers out, palms to each other or the opposite sides, and they go back and forth like there's some weather happening outside. Weather, weather. And then we have air. It's hard to see on here. Let me move this up. We have an A hand arcing up over our head and ending here in an R hand. Air, air, air. And moving this back down, we now have hot, hot, hot. The hand looks like this. Hot and warm, warm. And we have cold. See that one? Cold, cold. And freezing, freezing. Out, in, and back out to the sides. Then your ing ending. Freezing, freezing, like that. Next we have cloud. Do you see the little cloud? Cloud. And we have rain, 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 or snow, snow, and rain. Okay, next is wind, wind, like weather, but with flat hands. Wind, 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 wind. And we can have a storm, storm. My S hands, storm in some seasons, seasons, season, season. S hand up, out away from your body, back down, and again, season, season. Okay, ready for your sentence? Here we go. What did I say? And if you found this helpful, please give it a like and see you in lesson number 8, which is the great outdoors. See you there. Bye.